Hey everybody, so I'm in my friend's house right now, apartment. She's gonna pick me up a little later, so I'm gonna check out what's around this apartment building and show you guys what is it like in Ukraine. I'm here in the elevator right now. Look at that. So, already on the first floor. There's a typical Ukrainian building. Mailboxes. Old school looking, but super cool. This is typical Ukrainian neighborhood. There's the building. Little playground for the kids right here straight ahead next to the apartment. Look at all that. I'm gonna just go around and explore this place a little bit. He should be here in about an hour or so I got some time. What's the difference between America and Ukraine and Russia and everywhere around Eastern Europe? There's like a lot of green, a lot of trees, a lot of grass. And this old house is cool looking, like super cinematic. Like I was told some movie company was filming a movie around here. Like they filmed all these old buildings. They were built like in USSR, back in USSR, I think even before the World War II. Very old. And I stay somewhere over there. I'm gonna make a video later from there. That's the balcony right there where I stayed. That's pretty dope. So people planted little flowers around here, so everything looks nice. Everything's personalized. It's not like the government or like apartment building managers take care of these things. This is all people by themselves. They just love doing these things around here. So parking situations here are like kind of messed up. A lot of people can just park cars wherever they like. There are some garages here, and that's what they do. Here's another playground for kids. I was told there's some little park around here, so I'm gonna go and explore and check it out. I have no idea where to go there. Извините, а здесь сказали парк где-то есть? Не знаете? I just asked if they know where the park is, and they tell me they don't know. So we're gonna go this way. Look at this whole green stuff around. It's amazing. And the air is so fresh. Look at this guy. Yeah, that's very famous car in Ukraine, Russia, and USSR. Back there. Look at this building though, wow. Red brick. So people still using this outside thing when they do laundry and they hang it outside. It smells though. After you hang it here, bring it home, it smells like super fresh, super good. Even right now I can feel the smell. I have no idea which way to go though. Let's go down there. This is old part of Kiev. Not a lot of new buildings. It's all from USSR. Everything's preserved. Like this one. Look at that. Okay, that's the end here. Oh, there's looks like there is a park right there. Right? So I just need to go around. Look at this cat. Brown Ukrainian cat. Alright, so the park should be somewhere here. It's a little park right here. That's crazy, so I just got lost and had to use Google Maps to find myself. All the buildings, they look pretty much exactly the same, and I went all around. I was not too far, but Google Maps actually helped. I was walking the other way. So here it is. I'm going Pashka already here, so we're gonna drive somewhere right now and then go to airport, figure out about my bag. Hope today I'm gonna get it. It's all my stuff in there. It's crazy. There's the car. You know, like people can park right next to the apartment building, like in front of the main entrance, and that's fine. Nobody will tell you for that. Much more like freedom, I would say. At the same time, as can you imagine if everybody gonna start parking like right there? There's not many people here have cars. That's another thing. The public transport is really developed. Alright. Alright. Okay. And another thing experienced with us, old-fashioned elevators. This is for winters. Winters very cold here, so every place is supposed to have one of these. This thing, if the elevator breaks down, a lot of times this thing doesn't work. People just melt the buttons here. That's crazy. Like, a lot of people don't care about stuff, but when you need it, you know. Oh my God, did you hear that? All right, here we are. So amazing architecture, this is crazy. Like, beautiful, and it's old stuff, you know, like old. And now we're going on the way to eat shawarma. It's type of burrito in a Middle Eastern way, which was brought to Ukraine and mixed up with all the kind of stuff that people like here. Adapted, basically, burrito type of food, so I'll show you guys. First we're gonna go and exchange some dollars, and after that there's a restaurant where they sell those shawarma things.
Hi guys, we're going to BPSH.
BPSH, it's an abbreviation of Belash, Ponchik and Shawarma. Look at this, like, so Ukraine has so much sweet stuff, so it's like all amazing stuff, especially like this. It has like cheese, with sweet cheese inside and good pastry. I love this, but I cannot eat that much. I'm trying to be fit, you know. So this is what we order. This is basically like burrito. And this is donuts. Very nice ones. Zero Coke. Alright, I'm gonna try it. This is so good. I'm telling you. Wow. Check mark. Wow, so this is like inside of the neighborhood. Look at this. Like super cinematic. Super cool. So I called to the airport. They told me